Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing and a look at this Moajerry wireless gaming controllers with gaming console. Now this has 14,000 plus games apparently, and has an HDMI stick, so you can plug it in and now it'll load up the games, and then you can just play using the two controllers in here. The first things first, right on top, looks like you got the actual console itself. It's called the Game Stick Lite. Take that off and it's got the HDMI end right there. You've got this USB dongle here in the back just like that, and then there's also a micro USB port on this card here to actually charge it up. Looking at the side, I'm noticing that there's actually a micro SD card in here, and that's probably what's loading up the games onto this thing. This is just an HDMI extension, so in case there's not really room behind your TV or your monitor, you can use this. Here you've got the micro USB to USB cable. Here you've got the controllers. This is like similar to a typical gaming controller. It's got A, B, X, Y over here. It's got the two analog sticks, the start, the select, the analog buttons. It's even got a little D-pad up here. And on the bottom there's actually an on and off switch. It takes two AAA batteries. And again, you've got two controllers. And you've got this little instruction manual on how to use it. That's pretty much it.